Unlock your career potential with AI and ChatGPT. Welcome to the future of career advancement, where AI and ChatGPT are your allies on the journey to professional growth. First, understand the power of AI in analyzing job market trends. It's your personal guide to identifying high-demand skills. Next, dive into ChatGPT. This tool elevates your learning by offering personalized tutorials and resources in your field of interest. Collaboration is key. Use AI to connect with professionals and mentors globally. Networking has never been this efficient or easy. Crafting a standout resume? RE's got you covered. Tailor your resume with suggestions from AI, ensuring it catches every recruiter's eye. Prepare for interviews like never before. Practice with ChatGPT, receiving immediate feedback on your responses and polishing your delivery. Finally, keep evolving. Leverage these technologies to continually learn and adapt, ensuring your career is always moving forward. Welcome to your future.